Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to draw a super funny and adorable SpongeBob. You know what I love about SpongeBob? No matter what happens, he never stops smiling. And that's the kind of energy we all need our lives. When I was little, I used to laugh so hard watching him that even my mom said, "Looks like SpongeBob found his biggest fan." So today, let's bring that same happiness and laughter to our paper and make our SpongeBob come alive with love and joy.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
Okay. Okay, guys, look at our adorable SpongeBob. He looks so full of love and joy. So, just like all of you, when you create something from your heart, remember, just like the SpongeBob, keep smiling, keep shining, and never stop spreading your creative bubbles of happiness. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our happy little family. Okay, so see you in the next video. Stay happy and blessed. Till then, bye bye.
I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work.